Welcome to Family DIY. Today we're going to answer the age-old question, how many blondes does it take to change a blinker? Now, stick around and find out. So this is how you know that your blinker is out. So if you look and you turn on your blinker, that is the normal blinker sound. You hear that? Completely different. That is the sound indicating that the side is out. So if you would go by this rule, the right side is normal, the left side is telling you the left side is out. Now that we know that the left side is out, what we don't know is that if it's the front or the back. So in order to figure that out, you actually have to get out of the car and look to see if the front side is blinking or the back side is not blinking. So now we know that it's the driver's side and it's the front. So in order to change it, we gotta pop the hood. Now that the hood is open, we need to locate where the wiring harness is for the bulb. So if you will look, it is right here. So if you're changing the light on the passenger side, it's located right there. Now that we know where the wiring harness is, we need to pull it out. In order to do that, you rotate it counterclockwise as so. To detach the bulb, you don't do any kind of twisting or anything. All you do is hold on to it here and then pull it out gently. So before we handle the new bulbs, we want to protect the bulbs from the oils on our hands, which could damage the bulb. So in order to do that, gotta wear gloves. These are the blinkers we will be using. You can pick them up at your local auto parts store by telling the clerk the make and model of your car, or check the link below to order on Amazon. Now that I'm wearing gloves, I can take the bulb out of the packaging. Now it's time to put the bulb in. The bulb can go in either direction, so you just put it in until it clicks. Now you just have to plug it back into the hole and turn it clockwise. Now that we have the brand new blinker bulb in, it's time to see if it works. So let me hop into the truck and turn it on. Excellent, much better. Now you see the blinker is going slower. That indicates that the bulb is good. So now we've answered your question. How many blondes does it take to change a blinker? Just one. It's not really that hard. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.